name is Natalia Mayuk, and today I will tell you about a beautiful place, Balam, or how I start. Well, if you like archaeological sites, Balam is a good destination for your tribe. In this place, you can perform activities that you cannot in the other place now. And for example, walking in the ruins and taking photos. It is a place with a lot of nature, ideal to spend time with family. Ekbalan originates from approximately 300 BC until the arrival of the Spanish and the capital of the Ta Empire. You can find a Balkar and the very beautiful ark, known as the Sacred Road. There is still and the so-called hieroglyphic serpent monument beautiful carved in the stone blocks. The entrance to this archaeological zone is from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day of the year. General admission 75 pesos. This is Ekbalam, this is Cenote Escanche. Here Ekbalam. It is a good place to have adventures. In addition to the cenote, there are also activities such as rappelling and ziplining with bicycle rental service, kayaks, cabin, dining room, and rest areas. It is a place relatively close to the city where you can rest and enjoy. This is activities and rooms. Well, do not forget, come to Ekbalam in the Yucatan. Bye.